So now continue the new virtual store application. First thing you're gonna do now is to make some procedures. So this one is gonna be called product one. We're gonna have four inputs. So these four inputs is gonna be the tag. So this one here is list of all prices, and here list of all images for all first images. Okay, so now we're gonna have some variables. So for this first procedure here, we need product price 1. Second one is product image 1, and this one here is the product ID 1. They are gonna be empty list. And these first two, so it's gonna be the list of all price 1 and the list of all first images 1. They also are gonna be empty list. So we're gonna need 10 of these procedures. It's gonna come from we're gonna put this on the got value event. So after we get the first ID here, so to start here, you're gonna have the global product price 1 and the image. So we're gonna grab the first product price and his image for the product 1. We're gonna need here, so we're gonna need the key, and the key is gonna be the product price. So come back here, we're gonna grab the lookup in pair keys. The pair here is gonna be the value, and the key is that one that we just copied. So it's gonna be product price. The second one is the product image 1. So copy this thing here, and this one is product image 1. After that, we're gonna grab the ID 1. It's gonna be the tag. So this one is product ID 1. So in the got value, the ID here is gonna be the same here. So the tag is coming from the get value event. After that, we're gonna have this block here, insert it in list, and insert in the list. So the first list is gonna be this one here, list of all prices. Now I'm gonna put in second position. The first one is the list images 1. So the index here is gonna be the first product. So we're gonna go in math. The index is first. This one is first. And to complete this procedure part, you're gonna grab the price that we just got here from the Firebase, and it's gonna be here, this item. And to finish this procedure, I'm gonna grab the image 1 and put on the, sorry, not ID, is the image product image 1, and this one here is the list of all images. Remove this. So what we are doing now in this procedure here, we are grabbing the price of the first product in the list. So is this product 1. We're grabbing his first image and his ID. So we are making a new list here. The first entry is gonna be the image, so it's gonna be the link of the image of the first product, also his price. So we're gonna fill these two lists here with all the prices, and in the second position, in the second list, all images. So what we need to do now is to duplicate this thing here. We're gonna have a product 2. We're gonna have to create these same variables here. So this one is price 2, image 2, ID 2. Now I have to modify here. So this first global here is global product price 2, global product price image 2, and a global product ID 2. Here is gonna be the image 2, this variable here, and the last one is the global product price. And we are putting these two information in the second position in each of these lists here. So do the same thing. Now product 3, create 3 more variables like this one here. We call it price 3, image 3, ID 3. So here ID 3, image 3, price 3, and then here index 3, here image 3, and price 3. So we're gonna do this procedure until the product 10. Okay, now I just made all the procedures to product 10, making these 3 variables here and modifying here index 10. So now what you're gonna start doing is grabbing the product 1 got value. We're gonna have to make this till the product 10 got value. So to start here, product 1, gonna need a if statement. I'm gonna grab the equal thing here. So we're gonna check if the tag it's the first ID product, and we're gonna check with list. So the list is gonna be um, the list is gonna be the global list one. So copy this thing here. Okay, so index 1, now this thing here is index 1. So we are checking if the ID is equal to the first if it's equal to the first item in the global list 1. In the video that we did the global list 1 as 1 2 3 till the 10. So now in the 10, what's gonna happen if the tag is equal to the first product ID? I'm gonna go and grab the procedure called the product 1. So we're gonna grab the tag, the value here, the tag, the first ID, and here variable is the list of all prices 1, and here list of all first images. I'm gonna do an else if here, block, copy this thing here. This part is for the second list, so it's gonna be list 2. Copy this thing here, and here you're gonna need another 2 variables. So I'm gonna create here a variable list of all prices 2, and here list of all first images 2. They are also empty list, so I'm gonna delete these 2 here, and grab the all price 2, come here, and the first images 2, come here. So we're gonna do this else if to the number to the global list 10. So for which of these components here you need more 2 lists, we'll just call it 3. We grab this thing here, duplicate, here is list 3, grab product 1 procedure, and here all prices 3, images 3. So you do this to the number 10. So here are all the new variables, new lists you're gonna need till the all price 10, all images 10. In here in the got value 1, you just copy this procedure here, and you have to change this to all prices 4, all images 4, and you're gonna do this to the number 10 here. Okay, now in the product 2, we're gonna go and copy this entire thing here, and what we need to do is change the index to number 2. So you're gonna grab the information from the second item in the list. Go to here. So it's done here, and I'm gonna need to do this thing, copy this entire thing here, change to probably 3, and the index number 3. So you do this to all of the select list item in list number 3 till you finish with the number 10. Okay, so now to finish this part, we're gonna go and grab this thing here, vertical scroll arrangement, fill parent. I'm gonna go in import an extension. This extension is the card view. I'm gonna just copy it. We're gonna put here. Now in the blocks part, we're gonna go and grab card view in type 2. The input here is gonna be the vertical scroll arrangement. So grab this final item here. Put here. Now the list of images, of course, is gonna be the list of all prices. Sorry, the content list of all prices, and the list of all first images is gonna be on images. And buttons, we're not gonna use it, so just create empty list. After that, you're gonna create a new procedure here. I'm gonna call it clean lists. So we're gonna grab input. I'm gonna just call it as list. I'm gonna come here in lists and remove this one here, remove list item. We put the variable list here, and the first index is gonna be number 10. After that, you're gonna copy this and change this to 9, and you're gonna do this to number 1, so number 8 now. Now it's all here. We're gonna go and then grab procedures, clean lists. I'm gonna grab 2 of them. The first list, I'm gonna remove all the items from first image, and then all items from the all prices one. What we're gonna do now is here is incorrect. Here's product 10, product train, product 10. I'm gonna check all the other products because I didn't change the products here. Okay, back here you have to check in every of these got values if they have the perfect combination. So product 9 has to be the procedure product 9, got value 8, product 8 in all of these blocks. So here, for example, product 10, we need the tag here, all images here, value here, and all prices 1 here. So you have to change, they are all in product 1, have to change to product 10, put the correct variables. This one is image 2, price 2, value, and a tag. Below that, you're gonna need the card view. Here we're gonna change to first image is 2, and the list of all prices 2. Also clean the lists, so copy these 2, all prices of all price 2, and clean the list of all first images 2. Copy here again. Here you're gonna change to product 10. Rearrange the 4 variables. So image is here, price is here, the tag in the first position, all prices, value, this one here has to be the first images tree for all of prices tree, and I also clean the 2 lists, so clean list 1, if list of all first images tree, list of all price tree. So I'm gonna complete to the end. So continue now. We're gonna need to add a new element here. It's a notifier. So now we're gonna check. So now we're gonna check the item of the list that the person clicked in the card view. So what you're gonna need here is a control if. We're gonna go and grab the and 2 of these equal signs here. So first thing, we're gonna get the position. So if a position is equal to number 1, and I already saved here, we're gonna need a global product to ID 1, and the not found. So this one is the ID of the product 1 in the list that this variable here is in the procedure where we receive the information from the Firebase, where you have the ID, the price, and the image of that product. So if the product ID is equal to not found, that means the ID number 1 doesn't exist in the Firebase. I'm gonna grab the show alert here, show alert notice. Here we're gonna have a text. So here is a product not registered yet. I'm gonna make a else if here. So copy this thing here. Position is equal to, and product ID 1 is different from not found. Then we're gonna go here and grab the open another screen with a start value. the start value is gonna be the first ID, so copy this thing here. And the screen name, we're gonna make a new screen. I'm gonna call it product view. Now I'm gonna copy this thing here. So in this second thing here, position is number 2. So change this to position 2. This one here has to be the product ID 2, product ID 2, and also here product ID 2. We're gonna do this this procedure till the position 10. Okay, finishing here till the position 10. Now we're gonna create a new screen. It's gonna be the product view. We're gonna need, of course, the Firebase database, the one. So let's copy the information needed here, the token, and the project bucket as the menu. I'm gonna use this project bucket. Okay, so here we're gonna retrieve all the information that we saved in the product. So we're gonna come back here, remember the keys. So here the Google ID, product title, product description, product price, size, and the 3 images. So let's come back here. So the first label is the first thing we need is Firebase database, project bucket, Firebase database, get value, product view when initialized, also when it's backpressed. We're gonna close the screen. So here is the menu, and the important thing that we got from the first screen is the ID, and this ID comes with the get start value. After this, we're gonna grab the got value event, and first thing we're gonna ID from Google, and the ID from Google, I'm gonna go and grab the list lookup pairing keys. So the first key is the Google ID. So let's copy this thing here. Here we change for Google ID, and the pair is the value. So coming back here, I'm gonna call this thing product type. So product title, title. I'm gonna put this thing here, alignment center, and I'm gonna put as font bold. After that, product title, let's check here, product description, let's copy this. So this thing in here is the product description. So here is this description. Align, I'm gonna put center too, with as few parents, font italic and font 12, 20, font size 20. Now in the blocks part, product description text. I'm gonna copy this thing here, and this key is the product description. The product title text also here. The product title is this key. Copy this block, change this one for product title. After the description, there's the price. So come back here, designer part, another label. This label here is the product price. I'm gonna put the width as fill parent, font bold 20, and I'm gonna grab another label. This label is just to show the information called price. So price price. Now the text label product price. The text gonna be the price. Font bold, fill parent. In text color I'm gonna put as red. So red. This thing here is the product description price. So price here, align center. Now come here, product price label, text. Copy the looking part keys and the change to the product price. This is the key for product price. Next one, product size. Come back in designer, a label here, and the label for the size. So product size, font size 20, font bold. This one is fill parent. So size, text alignment center, and the color I'm gonna put another color, the indigo. So this one's size, this one here let's change to 20, and the size, so size of size of t-shirt is this one here. So price, size, description, product title, and now the 3 images. Now for the images, I just add a gallery viewer. It's here on layout, views, gallery viewer. Gonna go here. We're gonna need 3 variables. So is the pick 1, pick 2, and picture 3. So picture 1, picture 2, and picture 3. Gonna grab the look parent keys, and the first key is product image 1. Here we're gonna change to 2, and the last one, product image 3. Gonna grab now the gallery viewer 1 image, and then we're gonna do a list, another item here, and pick 1, pick 2, and pick 3. Go back in design part. I'm gonna put the sizes 20, 250, and here fill parent. And the last thing is a button. It's not gonna do anything now. It's just for buy the product. So here, background color indigo, font bold, and text color as white. So this button here is button buy. So now we're gonna export and see if the application is working, if there is any issues, any problems. So I'm gonna go and do this. So now first thing I'm gonna do is create two more entries, two more product entries. So this one is second shirt description, set price as 75, select the size, so this one. Now let's add some new images. So this one, I'm gonna use this one here. This one here. And this one here. Now save product entry, create another product. This one's gonna be the number 3. Set price, select the size. So the first one here, I'm gonna use this one here. And the last picture, I'm gonna use this one, just this one here. Okay, now save product. I'm gonna close the application. I'm gonna install the new one. Okay, so now I'm gonna test the main application. Just click here. So as you can see, you see the first t-shirt price 50, second t-shirt price 75 and 60. The other ones are gonna show as not found because we didn't record their entries yet. And sorry, let's go back here. So here I used the wrong variable. Actually this one has to be the global product image 1. I'm gonna delete this one, global product image 1. So the other ones are 2, so this one has to be the product image 2. This one also product image 2. And change the ID to the number 10 here. So it's product image 10, product image 10, product image 4, this one product image 4, here product image 3, product image 3, product image 4, 3, 3, 2, 1, and product image 10 here. So now I'm gonna install the application again in the emulator. So now I'm installing the application again. So let's see. Okay, open this application. I'm gonna do the buttons after. So the three products that we created. Let's test this again. It was not working, so not found. It's not showing the alert. I have to check this thing again. So let's just try the first one. So here t-shirt, the title, the price. Here the size is not shown either. Something wrong here. And here the three images. So let's come back here. So here I forgot to do the text. So label 3, product size. I'm gonna come here. So is product size. Copy this. Here we're gonna copy the looking part keys, and the key is product size. So it's here. So now I'm gonna install again. I just remade the application. So is this one here. Let's start. Now you're gonna see the size and also the message when there's no product. So click here. Okay, so let's test here. Not found. Product not registered yet. Let's test the last one. Not registered yet. And now let's go to this one here. So product title, product description, price, size, and here a gallery with the three images. If you want more than 3 images, you have to come back to the admin application and make more 3 images in the. You have to put more 3 image pickers in the product register entry. So for this video is this. So the next one you're gonna complete the first screen here. We're gonna make the buttons work. So it's going to the second screen with other products. We're also gonna have to make a login system, so a person can make a login in the application and buy the items. So for this video is this. I hope you like it and give me a like, and see you in the next one.